Welcome back to another video, guys. This video is going to be a lot shorter than most because the installation I'm going to be doing is very easy, at least with what I have. So today I just got the American Authority front splitter. It's right here, and sorry for the mess. I just got done washing the car and it is looking pretty good. You can see yourself pretty much. See? So normally I would wait to put this on, but the reason why I'm doing this now is I'm actually going to the track tomorrow, so that's going to be another fun video I'll be able to do and get to you guys, so you guys can see, and meeting up with a lot of the V6 guys, and I guess there's going to be a Elbrock supercharged Camaro as well, so that's going to be really cool to see and to actually kind of just hear, just to get an idea of maybe I want to go that route. Probably won't, but you never know. But either way, this video is about the front splitter. So it's a very easy install, from my understanding. It already comes with pre-drilled holes, and it should follow your the bolts underneath the front bumper that holds like the splash guard. So that should be very simple, and I wanted to get it painted, but going to the track tomorrow, definitely wanted to, you know, have this on to kind of give me a little bit more of some downforce up in the front, and it looks better. Yeah, so we'll be getting that painted, as well as the spoiler. I've been meaning to get that painted for a couple of years now, but now that I'm actually gonna get that painted, I might as well get that and the hood all redone, because the hood isn't really painted all that well. But anyway, yeah, so this install is gonna be very simple and super easy, so let's get to it. Now, real quick, before I go into the install, definitely wanted to show the new tires that we got, and it is looking amazing. Oh, power washer still on, and oh man, these tires are gigantic from what I had before. The rears are 305 3520s, the front are 285 3520s, and do they grip. What I had before, I put on my old some old SS wheels, and the fronts were 245 and the rear were 275, so the front tires are still bigger than those, so huge difference, but they grip. Oh man, it's been nothing but fun. But we'll see how they test tomorrow during the track, but just wanted to bring that in. Very excited about these tires, been wanting them for some time. Was finally able to get them, so yeah, so let's get on to the install of the splitter. So the you've got a bunch of little bolts here. So you've got one right there, right here. I'm missing this one. It must have fallen off. Oh, actually, no, that's not it. I'm missing this one here, and it just follows all along. And I might have to use something else for that one, but I don't think it'll be too much of an issue. But I'll figure it out once I get there. But you take all these off, and the size is a 9/32. And I try to get my my drill to be able to get it out, but it's not gonna happen. So you're gonna want to take all these out, and then you should be good to go. There are a lot of them, but I usually just leave them on the floor where they need to go, and that way you kind of just know exactly, you know, you can just pop them right back up and they're easily accessible. So now it's just getting the splitter and then just making sure, you know, it's looking good, there's no issues. I've already pre-checked it. but it's always good to just double check to make sure that there's no problems with it. I mean, there's a couple scratches here and there, but that's from probably like, you know, me handling it, getting it down to here, and you know, small stuff like that. But I'm gonna get it painted eventually, so I'm not too worried about it. Just examine it, make sure it looks good. There's lots of dog hair all over it. But yeah, and then it's ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab it, put it against the kind of like fit it under, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the outsides first and then the center, and then make sure everything looks good, nice and, you know, centered, and then we'll start putting the rest and then tighten it down. So this splitter was a lot more complicated than it needed to be, but I guess it's more the car than it is the splitter. So definitely recommend, do not tighten everything down, just get it on there, make sure it's snug. Then once everything is on, then you can tie it down, because this side was great, just all went like perfectly fine. This side, on the other hand, was a complete nightmare. I had to lift the car up. There's a point where one of the little hook screw things that those screws get on, like hook onto, got stripped. So I had to improvise and literally drill into the splitter and into my bumper for it to go in. But oh well, it works. Am I gonna get it painted now? Nope, I'm leaving it. It's fine as it is, because to take it off and try and putting it back on is not worth the trouble. But either way, I mean, it looks pretty damn good. Looks pretty good. I noticed it's pretty loose on these sides, but the center is nice and solid, but this side the same, so. But either way, I think I'm done. I'm gonna clean up now and call it a day and get ready for tomorrow's track day. Yeah, my back hurts, my knees hurt from trying to figure this whole thing out, but it's done. So thank you guys again for watching, and I'm gonna get more footage tomorrow for the track. That's gonna be a lot of fun. I hope my dive planes don't break this time, so I can actually have a full aero setup like they did in CamaroCon. So fingers crossed. And yeah, like, subscribe, usual stuff. Comment if you have questions or how I could have done it better or easier. Lifting it definitely helped, so I recommend doing that if you have one. Maybe just do side to side, or even if you just lift one side, you can actually use a drill and it'll be faster, so you don't have to lift the whole thing, just one side will help. I think that's it. I think we're gonna get ready for tracking tomorrow, and that's it. So we'll see you guys on the video tomorrow, and then we'll see you guys on the next one.